Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to pick out a Disney character and do the colors of her dress and her hair. I figured I'd wake up. Didn't get a chance to film yesterday, so I figured I'd wake up this morning and start filming. I picked out Belle because I really like the colors of her dress and her hair, so I'm gonna try my best to see what I can come up with. I just had a couple of palettes up here because I really don't know what palettes I'm going to use yet. I just got the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette out and the 35H palette out and see what I could come up with. I got the Wet n Wild paint palette. I've had this for a while. I've never really used it. It's Metallics limited edition and I want to see if I can use that yellow. I'm not sure what look I want to go for yet, but I'm going to look at her picture of Belle, see what I can create on my eyelid. I don't know what I can create or come up with. Let's get started. So I'm going to take this gold yellow shade out of this paint pot, and I'm just going to place it as a base to hold the eyeshadow color. Next up, I'm taking Poppy, this gold shimmery shade, and I'm placing it all over my lid, and I'm just pressing it. And then I'm going in with Rally Time. And I'm going to place that in my crease. And I'm going to make sure those two shades are blended. And I'm going to deepen the color as I go. And then I'm going to take Siesta. And I'm just going to blend out the edges of this brown shade that I just laid down. And y'all, my favorite Disney princess, or the Disney character, would have to be the Little Mermaid. Oh my gosh, I was obsessed with Ariel when I was a kid. I knew the soundtrack, I knew the Ariel. I wanted to swim in that ocean. I wanted to sing on a rock. She would have to be my favorite, and then next would have to be Belle off of Beauty and the Beast. Next up, I'm taking the Jeffree Star palette. I'm using Millions. And I packed it, I say 3 or 4 times I packed it until I got the sparkle I wanted and the shimmery I wanted. Next, I'm going to take my Revolution Eye Glistening and It's Fate, and I'm taking the glitter part. I love to sparkle, and I'm kind of taking it in my inner and kind of blending it in with that gold. And I'm kind of doing like an S going up to my brown bone with the glitter. Hey guys, I just wanted to put a little blue in there because of her dress, so I'm trying to incorporate all the colors of Belle that I think of Belle. When I think of Belle, I'm like, okay, her dress, she's dancing with the beast. So yeah, I'm adding a little bit of colors. I'm just playing with it right now, so if I forget to tell you something, I'll try my best to remember what I just did. So yeah, so I'm picking up this the same brown color I put in my crease, and I'm dropping it down my lower lash line. And then I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in dark brown. I go off camera and I'm gonna do my other eye, and I will be right back. All right, I'm back. Both my eyes done and some lips thrown on. So I went ahead and went up with the gold. Like I went like that. So y'all would know, I took a smaller brush and I kind of just zoomed in with the gold right here. Because it's a princess, it's Belle, it's from Beauty and the Beast, and I wanted to make her come alive. So I used the Morphe 35H palette. I used the Jeffree Star palette only for the gold shimmery. This one right here, I kind of went up with it. And then after I came up with the gold, I'll add it, of course, I had to vamp it up some. Went ahead and used my eye glisten, my gold. and then I went up like a little swirl. I used this is the first time I've used the Wet n Wild Metallics paint palette. It's the gold, and I set it as a base, and then I went ahead and threw on this gold shade right here. I threw it on top of it to set it, but it's kind of like creasing up already. So you don't know if you can see that. It's creasing up already. So this makeup ain't gonna last very long today. And then I took this gold shade right here. So I highlighted my cheeks, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, because I want it to be like kind of a gold color. And for my lips, I just used the Believe Beauty from Dollar General. It is in Almost Rose, but this is what I came up with. It sucks that it's creasing already. It probably won't last through the day, of course. But yeah, I did a little bit of the golds, the browns, the blues, with a little bit of blue right here in between those shades, because she, you know, in the beginning of the movie, she wore the blue dress, and then at the end of the movie, the gold gown. So I just want to incorporate the look on my eyes. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on Belle from Beauty and the Beast eyeshadow tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Love it when we're at a party in a downtown crowd. Oh, that I can hear you call me baby, with the music up loud. Red wine, good times, no, I don't mind being with everyone else. Then there's tonight that I want you to myself. Tonight I wanna jump so far, we'll only find static on the radio. We can't see those city lights, and I love the way you look in a firefly glow, saying everything without making a sound. A cricket choir in the background, underneath the harvest moon, standing on your shoes in my bare feet, dancing to the rhythm of your heartbeat. Whoa, yeah, we're dancing to the rhythm of your heartbeat. Whoa, I wanna feel it like a kick jump to me and make me hold my breath. You pull me closer, your head on my shoulder like a falling star. Wish one more slow kiss. I wanna feel like a kick drum, beating faster in your chest. Tonight I wanna drive so far, where I find static on the radio, and I love the way you look in the firefly glow. Whoa.